Welcome to the channel. Welcome to the channel. Today's video will be an install video. I'm on my way now to have the Underglow installed on the Charger, along with some Grille lights and the snorkel lights. I'm going to save the headlights for later because I'm not sure if I want that flow series or just the steady lights or whatever. But today's video will definitely be an install video. You don't want to miss it. Stay tuned. So we here, give you a little before shot before we get all the mods done today. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram. Just a little before shot before we get all this work done. Before we get too deep into the video, I want you guys to know I appreciate each and every one of you that subscribe to the channel. Your support is appreciated. Thank you. I'm gonna go check in. But before I check in, show you guys where I'm at. Back to the scene of the crime here. That's where I get all my custom work done. They do a really good job. So stay tuned for the rest of the video. All right, fam, look like I got it set up. Let me show you what these snorkel halo light rings do. Look, oh no, I kind of like that green on that orange. Yes, sir. I'm really feeling that. All right, so I'm gonna try to wrap this video up. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll try to put down in the description which light brand I use. To the next video. Peace and blessings. I'm out.